Did you know there's a black hole lurking closer to us than you might think? When we think of black holes, they seem like something far off in distant galaxies, but one of these mysterious cosmic giants is actually much closer to Earth than we would have ever guessed. Let's talk about the closest known black hole, Gaia BH1. Located in the constellation Ophiuchus, about 1,600 light-years away from Earth, Gaia BH1 is a black hole with a mass around 10 times that of our Sun. That distance sounds massive, but in the vast scale of the universe, it's almost like having it in our own galactic backyard. This black hole was only recently discovered, and it's a reminder of just how much remains hidden in space. Unlike the way black holes are often portrayed in movies, as giant swirling vortices that consume everything around them, Gaia BH1 is a relatively quiet black hole. It doesn't produce intense radiation or suck in massive amounts of matter. In fact, it sits quietly, giving away its presence only through its gravitational influence on a nearby star. This is actually how scientists discovered it, using data from the Gaia satellite, a powerful tool that tracks the positions and movements of stars. They noticed that one star was behaving a bit strangely, moving in a slightly wobbly pattern, which suggested it had an unseen companion, a black hole. But how did scientists even find this mysterious black hole? Because black holes don't emit any light, they're nearly impossible to observe directly. Gaia BH1's presence was detected through a phenomenon called stellar wobble, a kind of celestial tug-of-war caused by the black hole's gravity. When scientists observed a star with this strange wobble effect, they knew something massive and invisible was nearby. They used sophisticated technology, primarily the Gaia satellite, to measure this star's movements and concluded that a black hole must be the culprit. This discovery gave astronomers a rare and valuable look at a dormant black hole, one that's not actively feeding on matter and releasing X-rays or other types of high-energy radiation. It's a kind of black hole we don't often get to study, making Gaia BH1 especially exciting to researchers. So let's imagine for a second what might happen if a black hole like Gaia BH1 were actually closer to us. Much closer. If Gaia BH1 were within our solar system, the gravitational pull it exerts would drastically alter the orbits of planets, potentially pulling Earth and other planets off their natural paths. The gravity of a black hole is so intense that it can warp space-time, bending it in such a way that even light can't escape. If a black hole were near our solar system, it would be like an enormous vacuum cleaner warping everything around it. Earth could experience catastrophic disruptions in its climate, its orbit might destabilize, and life as we know it could be at severe risk. Luckily for us, Gaia BH1 is still distant enough not to pose any threat. What makes Gaia BH1 even more fascinating is that it's located in a binary system, meaning it has a companion star orbiting around it. This is unusual because, while we know black holes can be part of binary systems, it's rare to find one that's not actively consuming material from its stellar partner. Black holes with companion stars typically feed on gas or other matter from the companion, creating X-ray emissions and other types of energy. But Gaia BH1 isn't feeding, so it's quiet, and its presence is detectable only by the gravitational effects it has on its companion star. This makes Gaia BH1 an unusual type of cosmic neighbor, one that scientists are eager to study because it challenges some of our assumptions about how black holes interact with their environments. Gaia BH1 is a reminder of how much of our universe remains unseen. Even in our relatively nearby cosmic neighborhood, objects as mind-bending as black holes are quietly waiting to be discovered. The discovery of Gaia BH1 sparks questions. What other hidden phenomena could be lurking out there just beyond our detection? It's discoveries like this that inspire scientists to keep looking up, pushing the boundaries of our understanding. Our universe is filled with these hidden wonders, waiting to reveal themselves one observation at a time. So, as we learn more about black holes like Gaia BH1, we're not just uncovering more about black holes, we're learning more about the fabric of the universe itself.